I'm sitting here with the gentle whir of the washing machine in the background, a cup of coffee warming my hands, and the faint afternoon light spilling across the floor. This moment, so simple and ordinary, feels like a rare gem in the clutter of modern life. It's in these unassuming minutes that I find solace and a profound sense of gratitude, what I like to call the art of the lean life. Moments of quiet, finding balance amidst chaos, in a world driven by the relentless pursuit of more achievements, more possessions, more recognition. There's an almost forgotten art to savoring the less. I remember the days when a part-time job meant just enough to cover rent and indulge in a small treat on a day off. Those moments, though seemingly trivial, were imbued with a richness that the hustle often obscures. Thinking back to those simpler times, I am reminded of the profound satisfaction derived from modest pleasures. It's like taking a step back from the canvas of life to appreciate the delicate brushstrokes, the cycling of nature's sounds, the vibrant hues of grass and sky, the comforting rhythm of daily tasks completed. These are the elements that form the beautiful tapestry of our existence, often overshadowed by the race to have and achieve more. Yet, in acknowledging their value, we reclaim a sense of balance and fulfillment. The value of thoughts. Our greatest currency, writing, has become a sanctuary for me, a way to capture fleeting thoughts and moments that I wish to remember. It's not just about the act of writing, but the art of sentence formation, the dance of words across a page that allows one to express and connect. There's a certain magic in how literature can convey complex emotions and ideas, bridging the gap between minds. In an age where information is abundant, I've come to realize that it's the value of our thoughts that truly defines us as human beings. Thoughts are the seeds of our identity, our greatest currency. By recording them, whether as diary entries, essays, or mere musings, we create a tapestry of our inner world. This tapestry is a testament to our unique perspective, a whisper of our place in the vastness of life. Gratitude as a daily practice. In the midst of life's chaos, finding peace can feel like an elusive goal. Yet, I've discovered that peace often resides in the overlooked corners of our daily routines. It's in the routine cleanup of a house, the completion of tasks that clear mental space, and the simple enjoyment of a well-earned cup of coffee. These acts, when appreciated, become rituals of gratitude. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it's a practice, a deliberate choice to notice and cherish the seemingly mundane details of life. By cultivating this mindset, I find myself more anchored, less swayed by the external pressures to accumulate and achieve. Instead, I am learning to measure success by the depth of my experiences and the joy found in ordinary moments. Cultivating a lean life, practical steps forward. So how does one embrace this art of the lean life? It begins with intentional living, making conscious choices to focus on what truly matters. For me, that means carving out time to write, to reflect, and to be present. It involves a shift from striving for abundance in quantity to seeking abundance in quality. I've started by simplifying my surroundings, reducing clutter both physically and mentally. This process of decluttering is not about minimalism for its own sake, but about creating space for what's essential. It's about being selective with my time and energy, prioritizing activities and people that enrich my life. Moreover, I practice mindfulness, anchoring myself in the present through simple rituals that ground me. Whether it's listening to the hum of the washing machine or savoring the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, these acts remind me to slow down and appreciate the richness of now. In this practice of living lean, I am continually discovering layers of simplicity that offer profound satisfaction. It's a journey towards clarity and contentment, where the beauty of life unfolds not in grand gestures, but in the quiet, everyday moments. Life's richness is not always found in the grand achievements or the vast accumulation of things, but often in the lean simplicity of everyday living. Embrace it, for in doing so, you might just uncover the true art of a life well lived.